Hi everyone, here I've got LG K51s and let me show you how to reset network settings. So first of all, let's open the settings. Now click on Network and Internet and scroll down to the Network Settings Reset. So click on it, and now your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. As you can see, now we are connected to Wi-Fi, so click on Reset Settings, and now your device is asking you again if you are ready to reset settings, so click on it. And from now on, as you can see, the network settings has been reset, and now we are not connected to any Wi-Fi. So that's all. This is how you reset network settings. So if you feel that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.